First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Gulshan Kumar. I'm basically from Bihar. I currently staying in Delhi. I completed BCA in CCS University in passing out year of 2021. My total percentile in BCA is 60% and had completed intermediate and metric in Bihar board in 2015 and 2018 respectively. I have experience in 1.2 years. 1.2 years is desktop supporting engineers. I in Architect Info System Factory company. I can handle and support all types of hardware trouble and failure, window errors, MS Autopsy, issue problem solving, and basic network problem solving, and application software configuration and new domain joining, new user profile creation, basic server issue problem solving. And printer configuration and support etc. And my short-term goal is I want to join to reputed organization for better learning. And my long-term goal is I want to be a cloud administrator, security specialist in coming years. My strength is self-motivated and hardworking and disciplined person. And my hobbies is cooking, listening music, and watching movie etc. Moving. That's all. Let me thank you so much.